welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, if you haven't met me before. Happy Christmas, everyone. I thought it'd be good to get into a little bit more smocking today. I'd like to do some petals, and I've got some lovely satin fabric that I can use to do a sampler. So let's get into it. So you're not going to need too much today. Some fabric. I've actually got this sash fabric that's just obviously a long strip, and I've got my ruler, and I've already got some grids drawn out which are 1.5 inches squared, and I've just put dashes on those. I've measured 2 inches from the top and then 2 inches from the bottom, and then each dash has 1.5 inches in between. So I've just put the dashes all the way, well, sort of quite far across the fabric there, and I might add some more to it. So it does mean that we're going to get 2 flowers running all the way through the middle. So you're going to need some upholstery thread or some strong thread. I've got my needle threaded up, and I've got an air erasable pen which I use to mark out my dots. And that's all you're going to need. Let's get into it. So my dashes go 13 inches across, but I'm probably going to add to it depending on how long this will take. So I've got the right side facing up, threaded up my needle, put a knot in it, and then I'm going to start in the bottom left of my square, and I'm just going to go through that twice. And then up to this one, down to this one, and then back to this one over here. And then you can see it's already starting to pull, so I'm just going to pull the thread. It's going to bunch up like that. Give it a little bit of a helping hand. Like so. And then I'm going to put another couple of stitches in. Like so. And there's the first flower. Now what I want to do now as I go along is I want to add some beads. So there's the pearl in the middle of the flower, and now I'm going to jump onto the next row. So I've got my knot tied at the other end of my thread. Just manipulate it, move the fabric around, pinch it until you get the shape, like so. And then once again, I'm just going to go through the centre just to secure it with the thread. Grab the bead, go through the bead. So this is coming out really nicely, very decorative. There's also a design on the back which I'll show you, 2 different designs. This is it, finitoed. Very happy. Took quite a long time, but I'm very pleased with the results. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and that it was inspiring and you feel motivated to maybe try some Canadian smocking. And until next time, I shall see you very soon. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I do post twice a week, so I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. And just a quickie. Somebody bought me this for Christmas and oh my goodness, this is fabulous. Look at these colours in here. I have had a whale of a time experimenting. Take care. See you soon. Bye.